पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपकार डिक्लेरेशन यानी पीएजीडी ने जम्मू कश्मीर में 4G सर्विसेज बहाल करने की मांग की है। आज पीएजीडी नेताओं की बैठक के बाद पीएजीडी प्रधान डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने मीडिया को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि एक तरफ तो प्रधानमंत्री 5G की बात कर रहे हैं, वहीं हमें 4G भी नहीं मिल रहा, इसलिए 4G सर्विसेज तत्काल बहाल किया जाए।
That 4G should be restored immediately. It's unfortunate that the democracy people of this state, our children, are suffering. Students are suffering because they have to be now online, everything. Our business people are suffering. I requested the governor the other day when I was in that inauguration of the hospital. I said the 4G should be restored, while the Prime Minister is talking of 5G. We don't even have 4G. We think this should be restored as quickly as possible. And those people who are held up in thanas for no rhyme or reason must be released immediately if you want democracy to survive. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And they should be released immediately.
This is our demand. We are today here with the mandate of the people, a majority mandate, a decisive mandate, and we say that they should be released.
Thank you.
PAGD will work together hereafter, sir, as well?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Why do you have doubts about it?
Absolutely.
You try to create doubts?
No, sir, no.
Then
It is as strong, much stronger today than it was when it was formed.
so don't put any such things. We are united and we will continue to be united
Inshallah.
for what this People's Declaration stands for. And let's hope that you all have a pleasant stay in this tragedy of the season that is coming, which is
आज हम मिले डीडीसी इलेक्शन के बाद पहली बार और ये मीटिंग थी जायजा लेने की। पहला तो we met and expressed gratitude to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, to those people who voted and even to those who did not vote for us. Gratitude to them who came out in very large numbers and reposed faith in democracy, strengthened democracy in the state, in jail. Now that the people of Jammu and Kashmir, after so many upheavals, have reposed their faith in the democracy of this country, it is incumbent upon the onus lies on the administration to reciprocate that respect and faith in democracy. I would say that there are some disturbing reports coming about interference in democracy, in people's verdict, wherein the government of the day is acting in a partisan manner and in fact becoming a partisan by directly, indirectly facilitating moves by some people to attract independence towards them.
Bit loud,
by
sir, bit
confining
loud.
them. I think they should resist from this and not humiliate this great verdict of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. History is replete with examples that those who try to humiliate verdicts of people, they end up with a disaster. We need to respect this verdict and show respect to the people of
Sir, bit loud, sir.
Under no circumstances should democracy be tinkered with, interfered with. That is totally unacceptable.
Preventive detention.
The other new trend is preventive detention. What is the logic? Election has ended. It has been one of the most peaceful elections in the last 3 decades. The most non-violent, peaceful election. And this should have ended up with something good. That it ends with preventive detentions is something which is totally antithetical to the way the elections have been held in terms of peaceful, in terms of peace, in terms of lack of violence. While as traditionally in the last 3 decades, we have seen so much of violence, one fails to understand that when you have elections conducted so peacefully, why do you need to detain people? As they have detained in the past, we condemn these detentions with all the power that we have. And we just hope that after such a great performance of democracy, we are not faced with these arbitrary detentions which are illegal.
देश के निर्माण और उन्नति में सहयोग, आपके हर कदम में आपका हमसफर। कश्मीर टर्बो TMT सरिया, चाहे भूकंप आए या तूफान, सुरक्षित रहें आप और आपका मकान। अपनाइए आपका अपना कश्मीर टर्बो TMT सरिया, ट्रस्ट एंड रिलायबिलिटी।
GK अपडेट रहे हमारे साथ। अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें। अगर आप ये वीडियो Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारा Facebook पेज लाइक जरूर करें। फॉर एडवर्टीजमेंट प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट 7051091811।